Oh, I wonder if that fuse is blown. I bet it is. Let's try this one more again. Now my helmet's all sweaty and I ain't even done shit. And it does look like rain's coming over there. What the hell? You gotta be kidding me. Like, why? How? I have no power. Alright, so it's Broken Ass Bike Thursday, day after, and as you can see, because obviously I have a multimeter out, battery box open, I have an electrical issue. We found that this, which is the tail light wire, got very hot, and that's why I wasn't getting power. I think there's something screwed up in there. Maybe I pinched one of the wires or something, or maybe they're just crusty, and I don't know. We're about to find out though. Get this tail light out of here and start there. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that. Should be able to. That's pretty disgusting. All this damage. All this freaking headache. Having to go through this harness and pick out a little black wire that goes all the way. I don't know if you can see it there. It's kind of cut off to the fuse box. Reason being, aftermarket tree. Piece of shit a tree. And check your aftermarket parts. God, I hate this. Like I hate to see anybody with this issue, because I have pained over this. Ugh. We got lights, baby. Let's check for hot spots. Make sure we're not cooking, and then we'll fire Thumper. He needs it. I know most people name their bikes after girls, but you know what, man? This one's a dude. This is Thumper. No Diddy. Grounds are obviously good. Nothing's blinking. Oh, baby, kill the border. Here we come. Maddie, you better move. Ooh, my adult beverage. Heat. Oh yeah, I've been dying for this because I don't do electrical work. Well, here we go. Bam. Oop. I gotta turn the gas on. Do 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 do. Stupid. Oh yeah, baby. So since this place doesn't have the pods for my nicotine machine, we're gonna get out of here and go meet up with Wheewie Wednesday. I don't think there's gonna be a whole bunch of people, but hey, look, there's a football team. All right. So anyway, yeah, this would also be, how should I put this? Kill the Border Eve. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow we head up to El Paso, and we are gonna go for 4 days. Hopefully we can do the whole 4 days of Kill the Border, El Paso, Texas. So be ready for that. So strap your helmet on, pull your plate, Because you and Hood Rat shit have a date, baby. Alright. Then I go around this P-Raid and go to the big gas station. So I know a couple of the goons are coming out. Just want to shake this thing down with all the problems that we've had with it, man. Sheesh. I got a new toy. I can actually see what my temperature is on the fucking oil. What's going on, dude? Fuck. It is good to be back. All right, I think everybody's ready. It is good to be back. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my first Wheewie Wednesday in about 3 freaking weeks or so. Couple breakdowns and weather. Fuck me. But here we are. We're gonna do ourselves a quick tunnel run before it gets too dark. Do a little bit of Hood Rat shit after here in town. The eve of kill the friggin' border. R6 Wheewie guys back, baby. Yeah. We should have took the damn highway. Man, it's nice and cool, baby. So, about Kill the Border. At this point, all that I do know is it's a big ass ride for 4 days. And we've got the invite. So, we're going down there. I'm gonna have to travel back and forth because I've got stuff I gotta do personally. But we will be there, and I'm not sure what events are gonna happen as far as like rides. I think there's supposed to be an all-night ride, and then yeah, geez, man, I don't know. But the first ride starts at like freaking 3 o'clock, meets at like 1, and they announced the meet spots the day of the event. So trying to keep you know, some snitches and cupcakes, you know, away from our biscuits, because you know, as much as we appreciate them doing their job when they have to, we don't want them to do their job while we're doing our stuff. You know what I'm saying? Ah, no! Son of a... A couple of boys took off. Well, shit.
Next thing you know, they'll be on motorcycles and wearing them leather jackets and zooming around. They'll take over the whole town, a reign of terror.
Well, this sucked diddly yucks.
hybrid motorcycles as well. It's super fun while we're on a curvy road, right? And I get.
Damn, you get those.
I'm just gonna give you a verbal wording on it.
When it,
Little bumper stops.
yes, sir. I got those whenever I bought my taillight.
I don't know who I clocked on like around like 78 miles an hour.
Hell yeah.
So you guys can just slow it down for me, enjoy your ride, and get back home safe. That's all I'm really asking you guys. Okay? Thank you. So you guys are gonna take time. Like I said, just gonna get your driver's license.
85. Yeah. I'm doing 60 and pulling me up, and I get in trouble for all you motherfuckers seeing them took off.
I know.
As soon as I pulled in, I was like, okay, these motherfuckers.
They're gone.
Fuck.
Times they don't have their fucking radar on.
Fuck, no way.
Lucky you weren't in front because you were wheeling. So, well, I guess not up the hill.
Not up the hill. Where I was doing way too. I was too
Dude, I
too
couldn't
fast.
find that one that you guys kept saying was in front of us, like going 210.
I didn't see him until those cars cleared. It was another county mountie.
How was it?
And he took when we got to the intersection for 82 in Florida, he took left.
Oh, okay.
Alright guys. I appreciate you stopping.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Here's that.
Thank
like
you.
I said, just be safe on this road, okay guys? Keep it within the speed limit, right? I've responded to more crashes up here than I ever want to. I don't want to respond to another one. So let's just follow the speed limits, watch out for cars, watch out for the elk and deer there, especially out there in the evenings, okay?
Oh yeah, no, this is as far as we're going tonight.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Alright, well you guys enjoy the rest of your ride, okay?
Thank you.
Hey, can I get a sanctioned wheelie? God, man.
That would be careless driving. Right?
What if I did it off the roadway?
Still no.
Actually, you're wrong. That's reckless.
Well, reckless. Reckless would be something else. Careless is the one under reckless.
Well, it depends on how far you want to push it, I guess, right?
Reckless would be if we're endangering people.
Well, I mean, I don't know. We all got helmets.
It would depend. But yeah, let's not do any of that stuff. Okay?
All right, then.
Alright, you guys be safe, okay?
Thank you, you too.
Fuck, I never get to have any fun. Buddy! Damn, he's moving. So are them boys. Holy shit. Ride safe, everybody. Bro! Dude, what the fuck?
Professional riders on closed courses in Mexico. Do not try at home.